Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to be doing a power hour clean with me video. So it's been a while since I've done a power hour. So power hours were formed by Kimberly from Style Mom XO, and she was the one that made them famous back in 2017, I'm gonna say. But I have an hour. Ava and Robert are gone out. They're gone for a walk, so while they're gone I just decided to jot down a couple of things that I needed to do and then just try and get them done in an hour. So you're not allowed like go on social media, look at your TV, that sort of stuff. You are allowed to listen to music or the radio or something, and they're really the only stipulations of it. So I'm going to share with you what I want to complete for the power hour. See, the first thing is make the bed or change the sheets is what I really want to do in mine and Robert's bed. Do the dishes and the counters, just wipe down the counters. Hoover the couch out because there is lots of crumbs from Ava's toast in there. Sort out the laundry into different piles and put on a load. Ava's toys, I just want to, before she left out, she just kind of left a couple hanging around, so I want to get those back where they're supposed to be. Hoover the apartment, so that's both bedrooms, the bathroom, the hallway and the kitchen, living, dining room, and then mop the kitchen and bathroom floors as well, because to be honest I haven't much mopped the floors in a very long time and they're definitely in need of it. So that is my list for the hour, and it is currently 11:13 in the morning, so let's get to it. I have until 12:13 to get everything done.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
So first up, we're going to be making the bed. Basically I'm going to be just doing the pillowcases, the duvet cover and the sheet. The mattress protector stays there for 2 or 3 goes, and then I switch it out and I wash that one. But new duvet cover, I'm going stripy this time.
There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong. I'm moving.
So now we move on to do the laundry. So I'm going to just sort out all of the washing. So I do a white load, a colour load, a black load, and then I do kind of I'll do the sheets that I just took off the bed separate, and the towels separate too. So I'm just sorting them, and then I'm just going to pop in a new load of laundry.
About the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
So here you can see we have some of Ava's toys that she got for Christmas out here. And I think it just works out better for us to have them out here. Her kitchen and her doll's pram is what we keep out here all the time, and then on a daily basis she kind of drags out a couple of other things that I do put back in at night time. So I'm just kind of rearranging, putting everything back where it's supposed to be, and just sorting it so it looks a little bit neater.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out.
Next up, we are going to be doing the dishes. So this is like normal. So just clearing away the dishes that are currently there, and then washing the new dishes. I'm using a I forget what they're called, but I'm changing out the sponge thing anyways, because that one was all ripped and tattered, so we needed a new one.
And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight.
Going to be moving on now to clearing down the countertop. That George Foreman, that red thing there, sits out on that counter all the time because it's so big we've nowhere to store it, so I need to kind of move a couple of things around and get some space for it, but right now I don't have any space for it, so just going to spray down the countertops. And Robert and Ava are back at this stage from their walk, so you might be able to see Ava throughout the rest of the video. Moving on now to the vacuuming. This is the new vacuum I bought at the Black Friday sale. So it is a Shark dual action something or other. So I bought mine on Littlewoods, but it worked out at the exact same price as the Amazon version. So I have the link to it, the Pacific one, and I'm going to also hoover inside the couch because there's like crumbs and bits and bobs in there that I need to get out that Ava has put in. And then we're going to proceed to hoovering the rest of the apartment, just in and out of the bedrooms and the bathroom.
Say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Good job.
Oh, wow, you're so good. Look at me. Smile. Oh, that's okay. Oh, lovely.
Good one. Good girl.
Do you want Mama to do it now? You do more, okay, okay.
Want Dada to do it?
And then on to the final task. The final task is mopping.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
So that's it, guys. Today's video is now done. It is 12:13. You can see it here. But so I made it exactly 1 hour, but I would have made it a bit more before that, except for the battery in my camera ran out because I forgot to charge it yesterday. So I had to let it charge for like 5-6 minutes. So yeah. Just to go through my list really quick, I made the bed, I did the dishes, I hoovered inside the couch, I did the laundry and did a load of laundry. I picked up Ava's toys in the living room, I hoovered the apartment, and I mopped the kitchen and bathroom floors. So that is today's Power Hour. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please do give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. I put out videos 3 days a week, and I'm going to do a new schedule. Sunday, Mondays and Thursdays are going to be the days I upload. And there's going to be a weekly vlog or a vlog of some kind, like day in the life, or a weekly vlog, a cleaning video, and then another video of a different type. So I hope that you join us here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.